Hello, in this video, once again, I'm going to be going over some of the features of Cami, and this time I want to explain some of the features that we are going to use to annotate text. So as you know, annotation means that you're going into something you're reading and you're making comments out to the side. You're monitoring your thought process, what's going through your head as you're reading this, kind of your reactions, but also sometimes if something's long, you need to summarize a main idea over to the side. And this provides a tool that will really help you with that. So as we're scrolling down here, one thing we can use is the markup feature. If we just have it on text highlighter, we can click on that. And let's say you have an assignment that says, find 2 pieces of text evidence that support this main idea. So I might say, oh, hey, this part right here, this supports that main idea. And once I've clicked on highlighter, it'll just highlight that. I can change the color. So let's say you had an assignment that was like highlight the main idea in yellow and highlight 2 supporting details in green. So I can change this to green. There we go. And it'll do that for you. You can also do strike through. That might be useful if you were editing someone else's work, perhaps, but that's not something I foresee us using that frequently. You can also underline things. Like if you think something stands out, you can underline instead of highlight. The other feature I want to go over is the comment feature. So if I am on the comment feature, I can do several things that are really, really cool. So first, I might just highlight this part and it's going to add a comment out to the side. Right now my comment is showing up under my face, so I'm gonna try this one down here. So maybe I'm thinking this reminds me of, or maybe I choose another part and I want to say, basically, the author is saying that, so I might put it in other words. Either way, I just highlight the text, and if I have it on comment, one of these little comment signs is going to show up over to the side. You can delete comments by clicking on the X, which is pretty cool. Some other things you can do are actually voice comments or video comments. So let's say I want to do a voice comment. I could do that. And I don't particularly think it's going to work while I am doing another recording, but you would have to allow the app to use your microphone, and you can record up to 5 minutes. You can also use a video comment, which is pretty neat too, and record yourself talking. So if you're someone, again, maybe writing things out and typing just is not your thing, you can use those video and voice comments, which is very neat. So that's really all. Those are the main things I want to show you. One other very useful feature, the only other one I think we'll be using here as we begin using Cami, is the shape feature. So this might be if you needed to circle maybe specific words, like words you don't know. You might circle reckoning. You might circle fraud. So it kind of works about like highlighting. So it might be easier to use highlighting instead, but that is an option that you can do. You can insert a rectangle, like you could put a rectangle around an entire paragraph. So those are just a few of the features that are available on Cami. Again, it's a really neat site that we'll be using, especially as we annotate some nonfiction text.